Hey guys, welcome to Ecomm for Free. My name is Dallas, and today I'm going to be going over how to avoid A to Z claims with Amazon. Okay, A to Z claims are pretty much when a customer files a claim with Amazon saying they never received their package from you, and then that's pretty much when Amazon steps in and tries to figure out, who to award the claim to. If they award it to you, you keep the funds. If they award it to the customer, then they'll pull the funds out of your seller account, and then they will reimburse the customer. Okay. First things first. The customer is always right. That's Amazon's slogan, pretty much. The customer's always right. So avoiding A to Z claims is almost vital. You can lose your Amazon buy box if you get an A to Z claim. And the buy box is almost a necessity to make sales. So if you lose it, you pretty much won't make sales until you get it back. And A to Z claims can take anywhere from 2 weeks to a month to be resolved. Sometimes longer than that, depending on backlog. But you got to stay on top of your customer service for one. You have to provide the best customer service, even if it's at a loss to you. So let's say, John Blue bought a package and it didn't arrive, and they're messaging you about it. Okay, you can tell them, generally what I do is I tell them, wait, 24 hours. I'll contact their local USPS hub or UPS hub, depending on who I'm shipping through, and I'll verify, where the package is or if it's already been delivered. If it's been delivered, like I said, I'll give them a day. I'll tell them just wait a day. If they don't, then unfortunately I will reimburse the customer. Be like, sorry, this happens. I mean, we can do a replacement or I can reimburse you. I do that so I can avoid an A to Z claim. Because if you tell a customer I'm not giving you your money back, or you're not going to send a replacement or anything like that, then they will open an A to Z claim and it will kill your account for some time. You won't make sales. All right, so always use Amazon shipping labels. Okay, I'll go over FBM and FBA and all that stuff when we get further into the course, but always use Amazon shipping labels. The reason why that is because those shipping labels are insured by Amazon. So for some reason, if a package does get lost or whatever, Amazon will take care of you because you bought the shipping label through them. If that makes sense. Don't use a third-party shipping company if you can help it, okay? And if you're going to ship something that requires a box, something that can't physically fit in the mailbox, always use signature required shipping. The reason why that is because when your postal service or UPS, whoever delivers the package, the customer has to sign for it. If not, they will take it back to the hub and try again the next day, or the customer can come pick it up. But if you don't do signature required, they'll leave it on the porch or whatever, and that opens up theft and other, possibilities. And that can also lead to A to Z claims because the customer will say they never got the package. Also, whenever a customer orders multiple quantities from me, I make sure to send them a message and ask them, to make sure, hey, did you mean to order this? Because sometimes customers order things on accident. I don't understand how you can go through 5 screens and place an order for 5 items and then say I only meant to do 1, but hey, it happens. Things happen. So basically, provide good customer service, use Amazon shipping labels, use signature required shipping if you're using a box, okay? And just remember the customer's always right, and Amazon generally will always use that whenever there's a claim filed. Most of the time, I've lost most of my A to Z claims that's ever been filed when I was starting out and when I was new, and I know it devastated my seller account. So I wanted to make this video to go over that first before we actually get into that lecture in this course. And if you have any questions regarding it, feel free to leave a comment or question or anything in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer that question. Okay. I'll be posting the next video regarding how to find a niche in products here today or tomorrow. That'll be module 1 of section 1 in the e-commerce course. If you want some more insight on this course, feel free to watch my first video where I post about how to make money online. I introduce the course and everything like that. So guys, until next time, thank you.